So the craziest thing is that if I were to break the iPhone that I'm currently using, and it's not even a brand new iPhone, but if I were to break it or if something were to happen to it, I feel like I would just go through and buy this iPhone again. And most of you have seen this iPhone. I've talked quite a bit about these types of iPhones as well. This iPhone that I'm basically referring to is the iPhone 15 Pro. This is easily by far one of the best types of iPhones that I've ever used. And it's the iPhone that I've used for the longest amount of time. Even though I have newer ones, I still can't get myself to upgrade basically from this one. Now, with the iPhone 15 Pro, this one came out back in 2023. And the reason why I love this iPhone so much is because Apple threw a lot of different things inside of this iPhone, but it makes it a really good value per dollar. That is something I love about this device. And the fact that they kept the 120 Hz display, very bright display, USB-C inside of this iPhone, even small things like the action button, different things like that, that's still, those are still some key areas where, Apple has kept on their newest iPhones. So that's also another really cool thing that I really did like seeing inside of these types of devices as well. So that right there has stood the test of time with the iPhone 15 Pro. But one of my most favorite things going on with the 15 Pro is basically the price tag. It doesn't cost $1,100. It doesn't even really cost probably $700. You can probably buy this thing all over the place, probably for around $500-ish for the most part. And that right there is another really cool thing we have here as well. It's not that expensive for what you're kind of buying. And that's something that I love seeing here as well. So all in all, I'm a really big fan of the iPhone 15 Pro, and if this iPhone were to break, I'd probably just go through and buy this iPhone again. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.